Alright, I don't know the name of this hill, but Jason is getting ready to climb it.
Bring it up here.
I'm videoing the hill. Relax. He's not going to come flying up here 50 miles an hour. Huh? Why, you going to record? I'm not throwing it.
Why? I'll catch it. You're going to have to toss it up.
It's recording right now. Woo! Are you in low?
Yeah.
Just go back like a foot. All right. Hit it hard right there. Should roll right up. One more time. Back a little further. There you go, there you go. You almost had it, man.
That was close.
There's a rock right here that the front tire is slipping on. You gotta get up over it.
Yeah, try again.
Back up a little more. We're good.
Yeah, do the same thing that you were just doing.
It's too late to turn back.
Yep. Back up a little further. Don't let him fall off that edge. Let him back up. Stop him before he falls off the edge. Go ahead. Now go back a little further.
Stop.
How close is he got? Is that good?
That's good.
All right. Are you hit it? Try hitting it from there in second.
Second? I'm in first right now. Try second.
Try second.
Hit it fast, though.
Stop.
About all I got.
It'll stall. All right, back and forth. Yeah, once you get over this rock right here. You're getting stuck on that rock.
Yeah, I feel like I'm getting stuck on the right.
Yeah, on the right?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, there's a rock over there too, but it's nothing like this rock here.
What rock is he getting stuck on?
Don't go. It's that rock. The huge rock.
Oh, you know what?
Stuck, my back tire getting stuck in that.
When you get up, go that way, so you can get up this ledge. Go slightly driver. Once you feel yourself coming up, go driver.
And then you can back up and put the right there.
Nah, this rock right here. I mean, there's two rocks right in the same place. If you want to back down and see what you're hitting, go back real slow, you'll drop back down. Your front tire is hitting right here.
You're the left tire.
The right tire is hitting over here. But this one is getting stuck. You're not getting up on top of this rock.
Hey, Dad.
Well, that's what I was saying. Try to come up and get over to the left as much as you can.
You can do this. I don't want to get hit.
Your bumper's not going to hit here if you just want to roll right through. As long as you're not going flying, your bumper's not going to hit. You're going to go right up.
Might want to test your winch.
Yeah, he can test his winch.
Yeah.
Alright.
Straighten your wheels out. Straighten your wheel
Huh?
out.
Call it a wrench. That put it in park.
Oh, I think your high centering is what you're doing.
It feels like something on
Yeah.
the line.
Your rear axle's getting stuck on that
It feels
wheel.
like all 4 tires.
Yep. And definitely your high centering. That's what it is. So I don't know if you want to pull up or you want to back down.
What?
Yeah, you have
I
to
can
pull
back down
up.
and try the other side, I guess.
All right.
There's so much
Yeah, let me move that out of the way.
There's so much shame in going back.